The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good morning, everyone. Starting off with a picture sent in by a familiar person, Chris Michaels, captured this photo right here in Roanoke of undulatus asperatus clouds on Friday. You may have noticed this. Now, how these form is at the top of the boundary layer, about 2 kilometers up, there's sort of this cap in the atmosphere, and just like waves in the ocean, the clouds will bounce off of it and then bounce back down. So that's how we get sort of this little wavy, sort of almost like a comforter or a bed sheet if you wave it out, look to the sky. So if you captured a picture similar to this, or if you have a weather phenomenon that you're not familiar with, you can go to WSLS.com/pinit to submit your photos and possibly see them right here on air. Skycam early on this morning out in Blacksburg, starting to see some sun way out there in the distance. Now it's going to be a couple minutes until it fully gets up, and because of that, we're still a little bit cooler out there. Going to stay mild throughout the next couple of hours as we're going to be dealing with mostly cloudy skies. Also going to stay muggy out there as our dew point temperatures are right on top of our temperatures. So the air is saturated in some spots. And that's where we're seeing some fog early on this morning. So dealing with a little bit of difficulty in terms of visibility across parts of Southside Lynchburg and across parts of the NRB. Also Lewisburg dealing with a little bit of patchy fog early on this morning. Throughout the day, we're going to stay mostly cloudy. There will be opportunities to turn partly cloudy, but nonetheless, we're going to be warming up from 40 early on this morning all the way up into the 50s and then eventually into the 60s, with some of us getting a little bit warmer than that, like parts of Lynchburg and Southside getting close to the mid to upper 60s, like 65 and 66 degrees. Future tracker showing those mostly cloudy conditions. Notice a few bits and pieces of greens popping up. There are chances for some isolated showers, about 10 to 20% chance just to see a stray shower, and it'll be really, really light rain, if any at all. By this evening, we'll turn partly cloudy, and then going into our Monday, similar conditions persist starting off early with mostly cloudy skies. So warm and mainly dry for our Monday. Same goes for Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, our next frontal system starts moving in, flows out of the south, so we're going to be staying warm, and rain will return for our Wednesday. Then on Thursday, another storm system starts to get going, and they'll track further towards the east on Friday. And so we are tracking a late week system as well. Have a look at the daytime temperature trends. Plus 15 and 17 for our Monday and Tuesday. That means we'll be getting close to 70 degrees on both of those days. So as we have one last look at your extended forecast, pretty warm today, warmer tomorrow and Tuesday, cloudy with rain chances increasing on our Wednesday that carry on over into Thursday. Friday, the rain lets down a little bit and then it returns in time for next weekend.